Hello and welcome to this new short video about how to mine easily Shiba Inu. First of all, you need a wallet address. If you already have a wallet at Binance or somewhere else, you can just use that wallet. If you don't, just click on the first link in the description to KuCoin link, and then you can sign in here via phone or email. I'm already signed in, so I'm just going to log in quickly. We have the traffic lights. Okay, no traffic lights. Okay, so we successfully logged in, and now we go on deposit, search for SHIBA INU, and then here we can see our wallet address. We can copy it, and then we're just gonna save it here for now. Okay, next step is to get the mining program. Therefore I uploaded a zip file for you, so you just click on the link and download the file. Gonna take a few seconds. Then we're gonna extract all, extract, and then we have here our extracted folder. Go on start.bat, press edit, more info, one anyway, and now that's our program here, our code, and the only thing we have to change here is that we put here our address in. So we go back to the place we saved it, copy it, and put it in here. And that's basically it. We just press file, save as, and then here select all files. So it's getting replaced, and we are done. Now we can already start mining. Therefore we just double click on start, and the process is starting. Just have to wait a few seconds till our GPU started. So here you can see how far we are, 30% right now. Just a few more seconds, and 92%, and we're done. Now we see, okay, we are currently mining with 21 each. So we can see we have current speed of 21, a hash rate of 21. So yeah, can remember that for now. And to see now how much you already mined and how to get it onto our wallet, we click on this link here. First of all, we have to make sure that Shiba Inu is collected here, but should be when you click on the link. And now we can check how fast we are mining. So therefore we can just put in the 21 here, and then we see, okay, it's 150,000 Shiba Inu per day, or 4.5 million per month. Yeah, so to see our current status, we need our address again, and put the address in here. And then we see, okay, currently we have 1,800 Shiba Inu mined. Here we can see our current hash rate, and yeah, now you can select if you wanna automatically pay out when it's over 700,000 Shiba Inu, or you can also deselect it and just pay out whenever you want to. The minimum is always the 700,000. Yeah, when you press the button or select that one, it's just immediately gonna be transferred to your KuCoin wallet. And yeah, I hope I could help you. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you, and if not, or you have any further questions, also ask in the comments. And yeah, then I would be happy about a like, and if you would subscribe for any more videos. And then see you next time. Bye bye.